Your Febreze car vent clip is ready to go.
Thanks for the car vent clip.
Send me a postcard.
To those who step up to work the sunrise shift, power through the double shifts, or conquer the overnighters, McDonald's wants to serve you a tasty breakfast at a great price. Pick two for $2. Choose between a sausage McMuffin, sausage burrito, or any size premium roast coffee. Or enjoy two sausage McMuffin with egg sandwiches for $4. McDonald's, no matter the shift, we're happy to serve you. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Price and participation may vary. Single item at regular price cannot be combined with combo meal.
It's a celebration. Market Basket is pleased to be bringing more for your dollar food shopping to Rhode Island. Everyone is welcome at the new Market Basket, now open at Bald Hill Commons, Universal Boulevard off Bald Hill Road in Warwick. See what it's all about and enjoy these more for your dollar features. Market Basket chicken thighs or drumsticks, any size package, just 99 cents a pound. Center cut boneless pork chops, any size package, just $3.99 a pound. Land O'Lakes American cheese, sliced fresh at the deli, $3.99 per pound. Freshly dug steamer clams are just $4.99 per pound. All varieties of Thomas English muffins, 2 packs for $4. Coronado Spiral Recipe ham sliced fresh at the deli, $3.99 per pound. More for your dollar is much more than a Market Basket slogan, it's a Market Basket tradition. Drop in and enjoy the savings and celebration at your newest Market Basket at Bald Hill Commons, Universal Boulevard off Bald Hill Road in Warwick. Market Basket, the store where you always get more for your dollar. Sale items good through Saturday, June 5th. Wednesday's estimated Powerball jackpot is $268 million. Get your tickets today and add Power Play to increase your non-jackpot. He's now with a group called Take Charge Minnesota, a group that is opposed to the idea that systemic racism is blamed for problems in U.S. society. We had Joe Biden at Tulsa yesterday for the 100th anniversary of the Tulsa massacre, which is worthy of recognizing, discussing the significance. But you have to remember that visit to Tulsa, where hundreds of blacks were slaughtered by whites 100 years ago, when it's presented in the context of this stuff is still going on. This is why black people can't succeed. Bringing that up. Okay, let me just think back. So in 1909, Grandpa Polito came to this country, couldn't get hired at any regular company. Basically had to go to their boilers. Joined the Catholic Church in Worcester, but the Irish who were already in that Catholic Church chased him out. Didn't want him there. It's a funny story. Grandpa Polito from Sicily. I don't know if I ever told you this, David. This is a true story. And the Baptist Church accepted him. You know, all the WASP types in the city back then, they accepted this short little Sicilian man, and he became a Baptist. And that's why, actually, Grandpa Polito, although he would drink wine, he was very much opposed to smoking, drinking, and gambling. He didn't drink a lot of wine, but he would have it. And he was supposed to smoke a little drink, a little gumdrop. He would say that. And that's basic. I always wondered where that came from, because every other Italian friend, everybody in their family smoked, drank, and play cards. And I'm like, what's with this guy? Lo and behold, he joined the Baptist Church, and they were teaching that. So anyway, I'm sorry. I tripped. And today is Republic Day in Italy, by the way. 75 years. 5th anniversary of the forming of the Italian Republic, which is wonderful. Anyway, so all of those things that happened to him, has there been no change since then for his grandson that's Italian American, also Irish, a little bit German? And nothing. You know, I'm an Italian. Can I go into the Irish church in Worcester and I'll be tossed out? Can I get a job?
It's your home of rock and roll 94 HJY, a very special
Music.
appreciation class. I guess he's probably the oldest. Well, he's the oldest of the Rolling Stones.
Right, he's definitely the oldest Rolling Stone, but he's got to be the oldest rock and roller out there. Charlie Watts has a birthday today. He's 80.
Stands in the way of school choice. So, you have the misfortune of being a minority, of living in a poor neighborhood, and you have to go to that school. You have to send your kids to that school in that poor neighborhood, and that school is rife with kids who come from chaotic homes. But you're a parent who cares about your kids, you've embraced education, you want them to get a good education because you know it's the way out of the hood. You're stuck with that school. So you have your kid do their homework. You make sure they have clean clothes on. You make sure they have a lunch, or they're getting a lunch.